NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 16. A circle drawn with origin as the center passes through 13 by 2, 0. The point which does not lie in the interior of the circle is option A, minus 3 by 4, 1. Option B, 2, 7 by 3. Option C, 5, minus 1 by 2. Or option D, minus 6, 5 by 2. Let us find the answer. Now let us draw a circle diagram that passes through the point 13 by 2, 0 with origin as the center. Now let us find the radius of this circle. Radius of the circle is equal to distance from the point origin to 13 by 2, 0. Distance from center of the circle to the point on the circle. Since these 2 points lie on x-axis, distance between these 2 points is modulus of x2 minus x1, where x2 is 13 by 2 minus x1 is 0. That is equal to 13 by 2 equal to 6.5. Therefore, radius of the circle is equal to 6.5. Now, if a point lies interior of the circle, let us say that point is P, then the distance from the center of the circle to that point OP must be less than radius of the circle R, where radius of the circle is 6.5. The formula for distance of point P x, y from origin is root over x square plus y square. Now let us check each of the options and find the distance from the origin, which is center of the circle, and check if the distance is less than radius. If the distance is not less than radius, then that is the required answer. If it is less than radius, the point is inside the circle. And what we need? We need a point that does not lie in the interior of the circle. Let us try option A. Option A is point P is equal to minus 3 by 4, 1. And we need to find the distance OP is equal to root over x square plus y square. X is minus 3 by 4 whole square plus y is 1 square. That is equal to root over 3 square is 9 by 4 square is 16 plus 1 under root. That is equal to, if I take 16 as LCM, in the numerator we get 9 plus 16, 25. 25 by 16 under root. That is equal to 5 by 4. Therefore, the distance OP is equal to 5 by 4 is 1.25, which is less than the radius of the circle, 6.5. Therefore, the point P given in option A lies in the interior of the circle. Therefore, option A is not a right answer. Now let us check option B. In the option B, we are given the point P 2, 7 by 3. Let us find the distance OP, which is equal to root over x square plus y square. That is equal to root over x is 2 square plus y is 7 by 3 whole square. That is equal to root over 4 plus 49 by 9. That is equal to root over, if we take 9 as LCM, 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 49 in the numerator is equal to 85. That is equal to square root of 85 is approximately 9 something divided by root over 9 in the denominator is 3. Therefore, we get the distance OP as 3 something, which is less than the radius of the circle, 6.5. Therefore, the point given in option B lies in the interior of the circle. Therefore, option B is also not a right answer. Now let us check option C, where the point P is equal to 5, minus 1 by 2. OP is equal to root over x square plus y square. That is equal to root over x is 5 square plus y is minus 1 by 2 whole square. That is equal to root over 5 square is 25 plus minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. If we take 4 as LCM, the denominator. 25 times 4 is 100 plus 1. 101 by 4 under root, which is approximately equal to 10 point something divided by 2. That is equal to approximately equal to 5 point something, which is less than the radius of the circle 6.5. Therefore, the point given in option C lies in the interior of the circle. Therefore, option C is also not a right answer. It is a wrong option. Now let us check option D. In the option D, the point P is equal to minus 6 comma 5 by 2. Now let us find the distance OP. OP is equal to root over x square plus y square, which is equal to root over x is minus 6 whole square plus y is 5 by 2 whole square. That is equal to root over minus 6 whole square is 36 plus 5 by 2 whole square is 25 by 4. That is equal to root over. If we take 4 as LCM in the denominator, we get 144 plus 25 is 169 by 4 under root. That is equal to square root of 169 is 13 and square root of 4 is 2. 13 by 2. That is equal to 6.5, which is equal to the radius of the circle. This does not lie interior of the circle but on the circle. Therefore, from the given options, option D minus 6 5 by 2 is the point that does not lie in the interior of the circle. Therefore, option B is the right answer.